Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called The Messy One by again Christine Jones, illustrated by Juna Martz Neal instead of the other one. Vivian was messy. She was a messy eater, she was a messy painter, and of course she had extremely messy. It bothered her mom, Venice. It bothered her dad, Venice. And it bothered her sister, Vinny, where is my favorite shirt? However, being messy did not bother Venice. Venice was very proud of being messy. She was so proud that she made a special necklace declaring this fact. Messy. Vivian wore her necklace every day. It was her favorite accessory, and she rarely left home without it. But on one especially messy morning, Vivian could not find her special necklace. She searched high, she searched low. Vivian searched every room in the house, well, except one room. Vivian knew what she had to do. It wasn't going to be easy, but it had to be done. Stand back, everyone, she yelled. I can do this! With great determination, Vivian started to clean her room. And when sweat dripped in her eyes, did Vivian quit? No! She wiped that sweat away and kept cleaning. Vivian folded a mountain of clothes, and when that mountain tumbled on her, did Vivian quit? No! She picked everything and started again. Vivian gathered piles and piles of toys, and when she slipped on one of her little cars, did Vivian quit? No, she dusted her all off and forged ahead. After a full afternoon of sweat, tears, and cleaning, Vivian was finally finished. Her entire room was clean. I did it! Vivian yelled in delight. And where did Vivian find her special necklace? In her jewelry box, right where it belonged. After that day, Vivian changed. She was still a messy eater. She was still a messy painter, but she was no longer messy when it came to her room. And that was a good place to start. Oh yeah, I found this in the beginning of the page. To my parents, for teaching me how to clean the one. Christine Choppers. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. And remember, if your room is messy, or basically anything, and make sure to clean it up, especially if it is yours. And also remember to not give up. That is what I learned from this book. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!